Hi, and welcome to 4605 Santa Cruz Avenue in beautiful South Ocean Beach, San Diego. Every once in a while, something special comes your way, and this adorable 2-bedroom, 1-bath view cottage in South OB is just that. It features an updated kitchen and bathroom, hardwood floors, a fireplace, owned solar, a whole house fan, dual-paned windows, central heat and air, a laundry room, a one-car garage, and a very large front yard with lush landscaping. This coveted corner lot is perched high on the hill, and it has location, location, location. The low-maintenance backyard makes living easy, and the options are endless. Seriously, the panoramic, unobstructable, whitewater, coastline, night lights, and fireworks views will wow you. I think this is one of the best views I have ever seen in Ocean Beach. One of the things people love about this area is the ability for kids to walk to school. It is also close to dining, shopping, the public library, and all of our highly ranked area schools. You are just blocks to the cafes, dining, and nightlife on Newport Avenue, and also just blocks to sandy beaches and world-famous Sunset Cliffs. It's also just minutes to downtown San Diego and the airport. Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky beach style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. Don't miss out. This one is amazing, and it could be yours. Call me today to make this dream your reality.